What's up, Soul Squad? What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. It is what? It's Wednesday, right? It's Wednesday. Okay, it's Wednesday. And you saw that amazing picture. We are doing jerk chicken my way. You want to say, come here, come on.
Hi, Goofy Baby.
What did you go say?
Hi, Goofy Baby. Don't forget to subscribe and don't like button.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that button. And what you about to do, go where? To school.
No, they're gonna go to my restaurant.
Okay, bye, girl. Alright, she gotta go to school because she do virtual school too, guys. She wanted to say, hey, Goofy Baby. She said, don't forget to like, to share, hit that button. Okay, so we're gonna get started, guys. I have here some clean chicken legs that I already cleaned and everything that I'm going to season with a little bit of seasoning salt, not seasoning salt, onion powder. And remember, whatever seasonings you use in your home will season your food and bring out your flavor. That's what I want you guys to use for this. Got some garlic powder. And this will go in the oven on 350. And I got like a half an onion. It's because I don't like a whole lot of onion. So if you like a lot of onion, you know, do what you do. Let me move this up some. Back a light. I ain't not gonna get the knife. I ain't gonna get the best knife in the bunch, did it? So, I'm gonna take the onion, sprinkle all in here. Let's break it all up. Again, how much onion you use is up to you. Everything's about bringing out flavor in food. You want your food to taste good. You want it to be flavorful. You want people, when they eat their food, may eat that shit. When they eat your food, you want to be like, oh my God, that was so amazing. Now, last time I used like a looser jerk seasoning. This is my brother told me to use this. This is the one that he used when he make his he make a lemon lime honey jerk salmon. I'm trying to get that recipe. I'm gonna make it for you guys. But I'm whispering. I don't know why I whisper. But this is the what I'm going to use right here. And I'm just going to basically take this, look at the inside of that. All the flavor and seasoning. Okay. We're going to pour this right on top of here. It's like a paste. And yes, you have to. And this is a mild, because don't, oh guys, because this comes spicy too. You're going to have to get your hands dirty with this, okay? So, what we're going to do here is that I'm going to hold this right here, and I'm just going to massage it all over my chicken. And guys, what I'm going to do is that if I get this all over the chicken and the onions and all that stuff, the seasoning, we're going to marinate this for at least 2 hours. I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator, wrapped up in foil for at least 2. Y'all hear my grandbaby back there. So the TT squad. Look at that. Just get it all over here. And okay, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. Ooh, in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Let it marinate. You might use the whole jar, you may not. I'm gonna go in a little bit more. Oh, you can smell the spices. Again, even though this is mild, I was told by my brother that it still has a little bit of heat to it. So, and I know a lot of people say, oh, this is the quick way for jerk chicken. If you're not from the island, if you don't know how to make it traditionally, but you want that flavor and you like jerk chicken, this is a quick way to do it. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to put a little foil on here, and I'll place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's take a peek. It's been like 2 hours since it's been marinating. Look at that. Looking good. In the oven. Slow cook for me for 350 for the first hour. I'm gonna cook it with the little foil. Then the last 30 minutes I'm gonna take the foil off, and that's when we're gonna be back and we're gonna see how my jerk chicken my way done in my home. Alright guys, we're back. I must admit this will cook about for an hour 15 minutes. I got caught up in doing something. But look at the steam. And I didn't tell you guys, I didn't add any water. or anything to this. Just because, look, chicken creates its own juices. So, this been cooking for a while. Like I said, about an hour, 15 minutes. Take my aluminum foil off. Guys, look at that. Man, cook this with your favorite side dishes. Whatever. Some rice and plantains. I'm going to drain some of this juice off just because I want this chicken to really, really, really cook. But yeah, it smells so good. Look at the onions and everything. After I drain some of the juice off, put it back in the oven for like another 30 minutes or so. And really, this chicken is going to be done. Really. But I've taken it off because I wanted to crisp up just a little bit. So drain off some of that juice, take the foil off, put it back in the oven for another 30 to 40 minutes on 350 and just let it crisp up the way you want it. So we're going to drain the juice, place it in the oven, and when we come back, chicken going to be plated on a serving plate. Okay guys, we're back, and this is my jerk chicken. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it smells good. Man, you can make this. Look at this. In the oven. Oh, wait. Look at that. There you go. Guys, you can make this with your favorite sides. I don't know what I'm planning on making with mine tonight. I was thinking maybe some string beans or something. Look at the onions hanging from it. Oh my goodness. This looks so amazing. So again, yeah, it's jerk chicken. It's my way. The way I made it at home. You know. I'm gonna take it all out. The onions and everything. You could have did this on the grill, but guess what? We did it in the oven. Looks amazing. And I made such a mess. But there it is. Jerk chicken SoulfulT way. The way I do it in my home. Hope you guys love this video. Make again with some vegetables, with some sides, some mashed potatoes, some rice, some plantains. Whatever you decide to make your jerk chicken come to life. And to my next video, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Jerk chicken.